this is how you can really hack YouTube algorithm and to be in the spotlight all the time.
Hey friends, worried about not getting the results for your Google Ads campaign for YouTube videos even after trying out all keyword research and available resources on the internet? Let us try one more thing, and it is called as a rapid YouTube traffic or tube hacker. Yes guys, this is one of the most amazing tool which I came across on the internet, where you can target the latest influencing YouTube videos for your Google Ads campaign. Now let us listen about this tool, who has created it.
Hey guys, my name is John, and for years I tried to make campaigns on Google Ads to my YouTube videos. It was very tough to touch the right audience, the targeted audience that was really relevant for my products. I can tell you that most of the campaigns, some of them had no traffic at all, and some of them really spent a lot of my money with no results. That was very frustrating. So I decided to go and pay for a developer to create an amazing tool that I'm showing you right now. I've tested it and it really improved my campaigns. This tool called Rapid YouTube Traffic. Yes, YouTube. Why YouTube? Let me explain to you. When you're doing Google Ads, you can target specific keywords, but these specific keywords, it's not really touching the correct audience. It's really hard to really put your finger on the specific correct audience that are relevant to your product. A lot of ads campaigns like a Google search or native ads, etc., are spending a lot of money with zero results. I think that Google is the most difficult place to make marketing, and most of the people who are doing marketing on the digital world are doing, Facebook ads, Instagram, but Google is a soft spot. It's a hard place to work because you don't know how to really maximize the conversion and touch your targeted audience. Rapid YouTube traffic has a feature inside called YouTube Hacker. What it does basically, you're going to put a specific keywords, a keyword that is really relevant to your product, that you know for sure that this keyword is where your audience at. So far sounds simple, right? But what it does is going to extract all the URLs of the popular channels that are being watched right now, that have live views and comments from your relevant audience. When you extract it from the Rapid YouTube Traffic extension, it's a Chrome extension, you can basically see all the links of the YouTube videos. You can look at the videos that are most relevant to you, and you can know for sure that these videos, these channels or videos are being watched right now. A lot of people are searching for relevant videos and channels online, but what they do, they are searching for the most viewed one. If a video have a lot of views, it doesn't really indicate that this video is being watched right now by users. Maybe people saw it a lot like 2 years ago, but how can I really know that this video is relevant to now? If I want my ads to show in specific videos, I want to know for sure that my customers, my targeted audience is right there right now. This video is being popular right now and my audience is there. So, Rapid YouTube traffic tool will find these videos and channels, and you can extract all the channels that are being watched right now, that are targeted to your audience, to your relevant audience. And after that, what you can do, you can target to these channels and videos on your Google Ads campaign. I can tell you for 100% that it really improved my marketing. Really. I got much better results and the ROI is insane. So you have all the information below this video. You can see all the info about this video. If you have another question, you have a contact us form above, and I really hope that you will enjoy this tool.
Now let's check out how it works.
This is so simple. Just write the keyword or phrase that you want in the tube hacker. Choose the maximum results that you want. You can choose between videos or channels. If you want videos and channels, so you can choose them both, and click on start. Just see how it runs. It's doing the job for you, scraping the most relevant and popular videos that are being watched right now. Okay, because we don't want some videos that have many views but not views right now. The only thing that you need to do right now is to click on download. Once clicking on download, you will receive a CSV file. In the CSV file, in the Excel file, you will see all the links of the YouTube videos that are being watched right now. Now, these videos are targeted to your keyword, to your phrases that you choose. This is relevant to your audience. This is what your audience is watching right now. So you can be in that spot right now. You can be there. Most of the people are now seeing this video, for example, what's the best diet, healthy eating. Okay. Now I even showed you, for example, a fact. I showed you the comments, the comment section. As you can see in the comment section, you have many comments that are being written right now. Means that this video is popular and being watched right now, not 2 months ago or a year ago. Right now people are seeing these videos. So if you're going to put this link to this video in your Google Ads targeting, when you're doing an ad campaign, a video ad campaign, your videos are going to be in these specific videos. And this is how you can really hack YouTube algorithm and to be in the spotlight all the time.